I don't know about you, but when your kids are coughing and there's not much you can give them, it is really stressful. I found Zarbee's that way. So I have the baby cough syrup that we've used for a long time. I think this one says you can start at 6 months. Obviously talk to your pediatrician about that, but these ones are nighttime and daytime for kids. And I really like these because they work and I don't feel like I'm giving my kids anything that they can't have. It's all natural. But whenever my daughter is coughing and just cannot stop, make sure that she has Zarbee's. I would definitely recommend these.